Hey, I'm going to show you how to put this in the calculator and find the determinant because we don't do it by hand. It takes a long time. We will do it by calculator. So you see we have our matrix. First thing we need to know, what's the size of our matrix? Our matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. So when we get ready to type it in, we got to type in size, okay? So any TI graphing calculator, let me pull up my calculator so you are able to see, okay, how I got here. Let me show you. You will go to, on your calculator, because this is the form of a TI 8483, so it has the same format. You're going to hit second, and then you're going to hit where it says x to the negative 1. Right above it is matrix, so this is going to pull up matrix. So you should have this, what you call them, this window. You should see all of this come up, your menu come up for the matrix. When you want to put a matrix in the calculator, you have to go to edit. Edit is where you put your matrix. So I'm going to move the arrow key to the right here, and I'm going to move it one more time. You see I'm on edit now, right here. You see I'm on edit. So because I'm on edit, I can click any name that I want. You see I already have some matrix in these, but I'm going to write over them because that's a matrix I did before. So I don't care what letter you pick, whether you do B. Let me go back out. I click B, but I can write this in B if I choose to. Let me go back out because I want to use A. So let me go back second, and I hit X to the 1. I'm going to go all the way to edit. Make sure you go all the way to the right, edit, and I want to hit A because I want to use A. The very first thing you have to do is give the size. This is where the size go at. We just said it was a 3 by 3. What happens when you tell the matrix the size? You see it creates that size. You see it creates the size you want. Now I get to put the numbers in. Okay, so be careful as you're typing this in. Make sure you type in your negatives. Make sure you type in your positives correctly. So I have it written down here. I have -3, and it goes by row. So it's going to do the first row first, and then you got to hit enter, then hit the second number, hit enter, then hit the third number, hit enter. It then takes you to the second row. So it has to do complete one row, then it's going to go to the next row. So then I get 3, enter. Every time I put an entry in, I hit enter. Okay. Be careful with your signs, okay? The last row I'm on, 9, enter, -2, enter, and 8, enter. Now, I'm going to just make sure this is right. So I'm going to go back to my problem, make sure that I copied it right. Okay, 9, -2, 8. You see, I'm just checking it. Yes, I have this correct, okay? So I have it correct. We have this in our matrix. You see that? Right? So what I am going to do now is I'm going to get out of this. This is my matrix. Remember the name. My matrix was A. Whatever you put your matrix in, make sure whatever you put the matrix in, make sure you know the name. So you ready? I'm now going to hit second again, matrix. And when I want to do an operation, like find a determinant or add the matrix together, I go to math right here in the middle. I hit math. Look at the very first thing we see. Do you see DET? The DET is determinant. That's what it means. So I'm going to hit that. I'm going to hit 1, and you see it comes up. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit that there. Sorry. Let me go back out. Sorry. There should still be 8. I don't want that to change. Let me go back to you. Let me tell you what to do. You hit second and quit. That's how you clear the matrix altogether. So you have to hit second and quit to clear the matrix. Make sure you do that. Second and quit. That clears the matrix. Now come back and hit second matrix, right? We find a determinant. Remember, we go to math. When we go to math, that helps us solve anything or whatever we need to do. And the very first one is determinant. We go to 1. Now, what is it waiting for? It's waiting for us to give the name of the matrix we wanted to find a determinant for. So now the next thing I do, once I got it like this, I hit second matrix again. And right here, under names, I click the name that I put the matrix. My matrix was A. So I'm just going to click number 1 because that was A. And all I have to do now is hit enter, and I get my determinant. I hope this video helps.